Hi everybody, welcome back to Beauty for the Win. Today I want to show you all the benefits about a Boar Bristle Brush. This one is by Earth Therapeutics. They're a very popular brand. Find them on Amazon. Thick bristles here, as you can see, very thick, or a little bit harder bristle. Okay. So with this, it is incredible for, first of all, distributing your natural oils from your scalp all the way down to your ends, all through your hair. This is great for that. It's basically like an oil treatment for your hair, but natural, right? You're not adding any oils, you're just taking your natural oils and distributing them to your entire hair. A great time to do this is before you dye your hair, because your hair gets weaker when you dye it. And so when you have that extra oil in your hair, especially on the ends here, right, it helps create a barrier and really protects your hair from the damaging effects that can happen with dyeing your hair. So I'm just smoothing this on my hair here. Okay, let's go to another benefit. Dandruff. So you're taking any dead skin cells and any dandruff from the scalp, and you're actually helping to get rid of that. So that is another great benefit of this. I wouldn't suggest doing this every single day. I mean, you could, but I just do this a couple times a week, maybe twice a week, 3 times a week. Another one is making your hair very shiny and helping with frizz. The frizz just seems to just go away when you do this. The best time to do this would be at nighttime, because you're letting that oil sit and penetrate in your entire hair, right? So it's going to really be a nice treatment. And then in the morning you just wash it out regularly and you're good to go. And you just get every single part of your hair, that back, the front. Just make sure you really focus on the scalp first, and then distribute all that oil to the very ends of your hair. You'll notice a difference right away. Like, your hair is going to feel so smooth. There's definitely a lot of benefits to a Boar Bristle Brush. If you haven't tried it, go try it out. Like I said, you can get them pretty reasonably cheap on Amazon, and you will notice a huge difference. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, I'll be making more videos soon, as well as some more beauty ASMR.